guys to the Hershey factory. Guys, we're here and it looks so cool. Alright guys, so now we're going into this area and we're going to be going to check out what's over here. Where you actually create your own chocolate bar. So in there you go in and there's a screen where you put your name or whatever you want it to say, and then you can pick like characters or other stuff to add. And over here you walk in and you will be able to watch your chocolate bar being made, going through this whole conveyor belt.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And I think my favorite one has to be Jolly Ranchers because that one just... Comment below which one do you like more. Are you on Team Blue or are you on Team Red? Or Team Orange? Guys, comment down below what's your favorite candy.
I just noticed that these 6 exclusive flavors, all of these are only here. So there's cotton candy, there's chocolate hazelnut, salted caramel, and birthday cake. This one looks the best. And then there's the strawberry and cream. This one is probably really good. And then there's cookie and mint. This one is probably good. And then,
guys, it's snack size. It's snack size. It's not family size, it's snack size. I did this exact same thing, and here's the video right here. But 1 year ago in New York, I did this exact same thing. Will this one be the tiny ones inside, or is this one big one? Let's see. They'll never make one big one. Even a year later, they can't make one big one. They have to make them tiny. Just wrap it up when you're done with it. Like, wrap it back up into the wrapper, save it, and then keep having it. There you go. I don't know what this is. Simply Fine. And if you guys are wondering what the music is over there, the 2 Reese's, like the costumes, they're both having a dance battle right now, so yeah. Alright guys, so I was just looking at these awesome things, and I found this really cool truck with a trailer towing Reese's, what's it called, Ford. And it's actually really cool because it's a Hershey's truck and a Mustang that's Reese's. This is actually a really cool thing because it's just made by them. It's cool. Guys, there's a cotton candy s'mores flavor. Do you guys think that would taste good? chocolate. It smells so good. If you could smell on camera, that would be awesome because it smells like chocolate. Yeah. Guys, that smells so good. There's no price for these hats. Pretty cool hats here that have like this nice drizzle, and also like I like how it's like engraved in the hat. It's actually a pretty good price. It's $19.95 for these hats. Usually some hats can be like way over that price sometimes, but $19.95 for these pretty cool hats is actually a pretty good price. So yeah, awesome. On the ride, I'm actually really excited to do that, and we'll show you guys us going on it in a couple of seconds. Let's go on the Hershey's ride, and it's about to start now. So let's go.
The Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside. Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.
Alright, so we just got off the ride, and it was actually pretty cool. They showed you like how chocolate is made and everything, and like there were cool like animatronics talking and stuff. And at the very end, they'll take your photo. What is happening? Well, anyways, after they came, also we got these mini chocolate bars on the ride. They're milk chocolate, one of my favorites, except cookies and cream is the best. But now we're just gonna go check out the place, and we're just gonna look at everything. Alright guys, so we just finished our day in Hershey's Chocolate World in Pennsylvania, Hershey. And
So it was so amazing. We saw so much stuff. We went on the ride. We looked at all the candy. There was also like a little parade thing, like a rally thing.
And we're going to see you guys in the next video.
make sure to follow along for our journeys and our trips and